Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. So glad you could join me right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. It is I, SL Rockfish, your happy hostess. Today we're going to do a little reading. We're kicking it back to last year when we started with Reading with Rockfish. Why? I don't know. Because I like to read, of course. So today we're going to do a little reading of Today is Monday by Eric Carle. I love Eric Carle. Great illustrations, easy books, and I'm doing it for two reasons. One, I like to read. Two, practice words that we're not familiar with. And I know if you have a kid in the area and you want someone to read to them, let me. Come on, tell them, get up here, I'll read to you. Or if you want to practice some English fluency, this is a great way to do it. So come on. Today is Monday. Pictures by Eric Carle. Now, I did a whole video, look down below, on days of the week. This is days of the week. For Susan, Hubert, and Andres, I'm not sure how to pronounce their name, but what lucky people to have a book dedicated to them by Eric Carle, no less. Now, where's the title page? There it is. Today is Monday. Pictures by Eric Carle. My favorite library. And Philomel Books. That's the publisher. I just like the drawings. Okay, today is Monday. Monday, string beans. String beans. I haven't had those since I was a kid. String beans can be tasty, but when my mom made them, they came out of a can. I didn't like vegetables in a can. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. If you hear a ding, my family is texting. We're in some text mode. Everyone's texting back and forth. Wednesday, zoop. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Look at the comma there. When you see a comma, you take a little pause. Not pause of an animal. P-A-U-S-E. Pause. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Wednesday, zoop. That's not really a word. But you can make up words when you make your own books. Thursday, roast beef. I like roast beef. Wednesday, zoop. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Look at that cat. We all know a cat looks like that. Serious, like, why are you bothering me? Thursday's cat is very serious looking. Hope I can get to Friday's cat. Stuck. Oh, yay! Friday, fresh fish. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, zoop. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. Saturday, chicken. Friday, fresh fish. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, say it with me, zoop. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. The fox has got himself a chicken. Poor chicken. Well, I didn't feel bad for the fish. Okay, sorry. Sunday, ice cream. Hey, when I was a kid, we only got ice cream on Sundays. Fun fact. Sunday, ice cream. Saturday, chicken. Friday, fresh fish. Thursday, roast beef. Wednesday, say it with me, zoop. Yep, got it. Tuesday, spaghetti. Monday, string beans. They're really texting up a storm. I'm keeping it in because it's kind of like a beat. Are all you hungry children, come and eat it up. A bird. You see that parrot? All you hungry children, come and eat it up. You could practice that sentence just for fun. Go ahead. Look at all those hungry children. Oh my goodness. And they're all of our animals. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, zoop. Thursday. Remember what was Thursday? I don't remember. Friday was fresh fish. Saturday, chicken. Sunday, ice cream. Monday, string beans. Tuesday, spaghetti. Wednesday, zoop. What was Thursday? I'll have to go back and look. Roast beef. Oh, yeah. I like roast beef unless you are a vegetarian. Ta-da! And then there's a song back here, but I don't know how to sing it. I just like my song for the days of the week. Monday, Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. See? Different song. But that's it. That's a quick little read to practice your fluency. You can rewind, read along with me, or find a book that you want to read. And you can practice on your own. Thank you so much for being here. I'm always so happy when someone comes to my channel. If you like what you see, hit subscribe. If you want to check out English lessons or other videos, I got a lot of them. Check them out. Share it with friends. Go ahead. Thank you so much, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.